Hi there, let's review this book, Teach Yourself Complete Dutch by Gerdi Quist and Dennis Strik. This book is part of the Teach Yourself series, which means that this book is meant for people who want to learn Dutch by themselves. Of course, you can use it in complement with any other courses or while doing other things to learn Dutch. But the purpose of this book is not for in the classroom. The book is completely in English. Well, of course, there are Dutch phrases there, but it's translated into English and the explanations are in English. It follows the typical teach yourself structure with some dialogues, then some explanations, then some exercises for which the solutions are given. At the end, there's also a few lists with the vocabulary and irregular verbs. And, well, as I said, the solutions so that you can teach it yourself. It's a very good book because it covers what beginners should really learn, typical practical situations that you would encounter when you're starting to learn Dutch. And I appreciated that they sometimes focus on typical problems that English speakers have when they're learning Dutch. There are also some general tips in the book for learning languages in general. There is audio or a CD, but the audio is with the Dutch from the Netherlands. So what do I like about this book? It's very useful, it's condensed, so you get a lot of value by learning with this book. There's a good mix of exercises and culture and texts and grammar, so it's a little bit of everything. It's very well structured. It's you start with chapter 1 and then you continue on, and there are exercises, practical exercises for you to learn the book, to learn with this book. The price is, well, a bit more than average, so it's a little bit expensive. Not the most expensive, but a little bit more than the average price you would pay for a book to learn Dutch. Now, I had to really think about the things to say of things that I did not like about this book. And I had to look up some reviews and think, oh, well, is this really true or not? So, and that is one of the reasons why it's one of the most popular books on the internet to learn Dutch, because it's really a good, well-structured introduction. It's in English. People can learn by themselves. So what did I find? What did I find of things that I did not like? Well, it's a rather old book. Well, not that old. It's from the beginning of 2000, so it's a little bit outdated. That's what I could find. And some people had trouble with the MP3s to download them because before there used to be a CD, and then, well, now it's online. You can download the MP3s online. So if you really like a CD, make sure that you get a copy with CD. Alright, so if you want to buy this book, feel free to buy it through the links in the description.